Let's play with colors. Halika, let's play with colors.
It's color.
Okay.
It's colors. It's colors.
Anong color to? What color? Red. Very good. Sa video, mukha siya palang ibang color. This one.
Violet.
Violet. Very good. Eto. Nalala mo to? Yellow.
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 This one.
This one.
Violet.
Violet. Galing-galing naman. What's this? Anong color?
Orange.
Orange. Orange. Very good. Eto. This is color?
Red.
Red. Very good. Eto.
Orange.
Orange. Tapos, ay nahulog. Lalagyan natin ng... Naalala mo to? Anong color nito? Oh, this
What
is
color is this?
Orange.
orange.
Kaya tawag sa kanya, orange.
Kaya orange na ng tawag dun sa favorite mong
Orange din,
fruit.
diba?
Orange.
Eto, what color is this?
Orange.
Orange. This one. This one. Hindi kinakain yan. Kahoy yan, anak. Eto, ano to?
Very
Very good.
good.
This is color green. This is green. Green. Eto naman, this is dark green. Tsaka na yung mga ibang color.
Mommy, orange.
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 Orange. This one. Blue.
Very good.
Very good.
Very
Very good.
good.
Very good. Very good na nga naman talaga. Very good naman talaga ang baby na yan. Very good naman talaga. Very good naman talaga ang baby na yan. Hindi na nga pala baby ang Kiona Bear ko.
Orange.
Orange.